Hi guys, I'm Dr. Louis Corey and I'm the inventor of QwikStrips. This product has been introduced into the market so that you can create precise interproximal reduction, better yet known as IPR. We've set the product up so that you can incrementally achieve spacing from 0.07 all the way up to 0.5 millimeters. The important aspect is that you go in the color-coded sequence guide that's provided. So here we go. We're going to start with a 0.07 and work our way all the way up to 0.2. I'm going to pick up the 0.1 millimeter strip and keep going in sequence. And at 0.1 millimeters, I'm going to stop and measure to see that I've achieved 0.1 millimeters. There is a measuring gauge, and we're going to see if it goes in smoothly. It's just a little bit tight, so I'm going to go back in and do just a little bit more IPR and see if I can get this to go in passively. Much easier. So now we're going to continue in sequence until we can achieve 0.2 millimeters. So here we go with 0.13. I'll turn it around and we'll do the distal of tooth number 9. We're going to go to 0.16. When I see that this product is passing through passively, I can move to the next grit. Turning it around. And now I'm going to measure 0.2 millimeters. And hopefully 0.2 goes in real passively. So in moving along incrementally, I was able to achieve 0.2 millimeters of space simply, accurately, by following the color-coded sequence guide. If I want to move on to 0.5 millimeters, I just continue in sequence to the double-sided purple by going incrementally up to that point.